Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something every freelancer on Upwork needs to know. But honestly, most people figure this out too late. In this video, I'm going to break down how to withdraw your money step by step, what Upwork charges you, and how much you're actually losing by the time the money hits your bank account. And then at the end, I'll show you a simple way to actually save a good chunk of that money. Okay, so before we get into the methods, let me quickly explain how Upwork actually releases your money, because there's a waiting period most people do not know about. Whether it's a fixed price project or an hourly contract, Upwork holds your money for 5 days after the work is approved. So don't panic if you don't see it immediately. That's completely normal. Once those 5 days are over, your money will be available to withdraw. Now let's talk about the methods. Direct to local bank. The most common one, your dollars get converted into rupee and directly land in your Indian bank account. Sounds great, but Upwork converts at their own rate, which is usually 2 to 3% worse than the actual rates, plus a $0.99 withdrawal fee. It's convenient, but we're quietly losing a lot of money over time. PayPal. Fast, but honestly one of the worst options for Indian freelancers. $1 withdrawal fee, plus PayPal charges their own 3 to 4% on conversion. So you're basically being charged twice. Not worth it at all. Payoneer, pretty popular among Indian freelancers. Here, first your money lands in your Payoneer USD account and then you transfer it to your Indian bank, where Payoneer charges its own conversion fee. Honestly, थोड़ा complicated है because 2 steps and 2 cuts. Wire transfer. This one's for bigger amounts because Upwork takes a flat $50 fee and intermediary banks can also take a cut on top of that. Very unpredictable. Now look, the platform commission, that's just a part of using Upwork and you can't do much about it. But the withdrawal losses, that's completely avoidable, and that's actually where Infinity comes in place. Infinity gives you a USD account. So you can set Infinity as your withdrawal destination by selecting Send Directly to US account and then enter details like account number, account holder's name, routing number, and account type. And that's pretty much it. Your money comes in and Infinity converts it at live exchange rates, the same ones you'd see on Google, just at a 0.5% transaction fee, and then your money lands in your Indian bank account just within 24 hours. That's it. And it's fully compliant. Your FIRA is automatically generated, so no running around for documents at your tax time. So that's pretty much it, guys. Upwork is a great platform for Indian freelancers and there's no doubt about that. But just make sure you're not leaving money on the table every time you withdraw. Set up Infinity. It takes just 5 minutes and you'll immediately start saving out on every single payout. The link is in the description box. Go check it out. If this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about withdrawals or setting up Infinity, drop them in the comment section below and we'll answer every one of them. That's it for this one. Bye.